Welcome to Neural Nichols' video on blockchain basics, unlocking crypto wealth. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of blockchain technology, a revolutionary system that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized ledger that ensures transparency and security in financial transactions. This technology is reshaping the financial landscape, offering new opportunities for wealth creation. Whether you're a complete beginner or an enthusiastic investor, understanding blockchain is crucial for navigating the crypto space. As we explore its fundamentals, you'll discover how harnessing this technology can lead to significant financial gains. So, get ready to unlock the potential of crypto wealth as we break down the essentials of blockchain and its impact on your financial future. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized ledger technology that securely records transactions across multiple computers. This means that no single entity has control over the entire chain, enhancing security and reducing the risk of fraud. One of the key features of blockchain is its transparency. Every transaction is visible to all participants, fostering trust among users. Additionally, once a transaction is recorded, it becomes immutable, meaning it cannot be altered or deleted, which further ensures the integrity of the data. Popular examples of blockchain include Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, and Ethereum, which supports smart contracts. These platforms illustrate how blockchain technology can revolutionize various industries by providing a secure and transparent way to conduct transactions, paving the way for innovative financial solutions. How does blockchain work? Blockchain technology operates through a series of steps that ensure secure and validated transactions. When a transaction occurs, it is grouped with others into a block. This block must be validated through consensus mechanisms, such as proof of work or proof of stake. In proof of work, miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems, while in proof of stake, validators are chosen based on the number of coins they hold. Once validated, the block is added to the existing chain, linking it securely to previous blocks. Nodes, which are computers in the network, play a crucial role by maintaining a copy of the entire blockchain and ensuring its integrity. This collaborative process creates a transparent and tamper-proof ledger, making blockchain a revolutionary technology for secure transactions. Understanding cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that utilize blockchain technology to facilitate secure and decentralized transactions. They serve as both a medium of exchange and a store of value, allowing users to buy goods and services or hold them as investments. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold due to its limited supply. Ethereum, on the other hand, offers smart contract functionality, enabling developers to create decentralized applications. Beyond these, there are numerous altcoins, each with unique features and purposes, catering to various market needs. The cryptocurrency market presents significant potential for investment and trading, attracting both seasoned investors and newcomers. As the market evolves, understanding these digital assets can open doors to exciting financial opportunities. Investing in cryptocurrencies. Starting your journey in cryptocurrency investing requires careful research and a solid understanding of market trends. Before diving in, familiarize yourself with different cryptocurrencies, their use cases, and the factors that influence their prices. Popular cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase and Binance provide user-friendly platforms for trading, making it easier for beginners to buy and sell digital assets. However, security is paramount in the crypto space. Always prioritize safety by using secure wallets to store your assets and enable two-factor authentication on your accounts. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. By combining thorough research with secure practices, you can confidently navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing and potentially reap significant rewards. Risks and challenges. Investing in cryptocurrencies comes with its share of risks that every investor should be aware of. One of the most significant challenges is market volatility. Prices can fluctuate dramatically in a short period, leading to potential financial losses. It's crucial to understand that while the rewards can be substantial, the risks are equally high. Additionally, regulatory considerations play a vital role in the cryptocurrency landscape. Laws and regulations are continually evolving, so it's wise to approach cryptocurrency investments with caution. Only invest what you can afford to lose, as this will help mitigate the emotional stress that can accompany market downturns. By being aware of these risks, you can make more informed investment decisions. Future of blockchain and crypto. The future of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies is brimming with exciting trends and developments. One of the most notable is the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, which aims to create an open financial system without intermediaries, allowing users to lend, borrow, and trade assets seamlessly. Additionally, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are gaining traction, enabling unique digital assets to be bought and sold, transforming the art and entertainment industries. Beyond finance, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize sectors like supply chain management, healthcare, and voting systems by enhancing transparency and security. As these innovations unfold, it's essential to keep updated so you can better navigate the evolving landscape of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, positioning yourself for future opportunities. In this video, we explored the fundamentals of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, emphasizing their significance in today's financial landscape. Understanding these concepts is crucial for anyone looking to create wealth in the digital age. We discussed how blockchain operates, the various types of cryptocurrencies, and the potential risks and rewards associated with investing. As you embark on your journey in this exciting space, remember to stay informed and cautious. Together, we can navigate the evolving world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies and unlock new opportunities for financial growth. Thanks for watching.